One lab in Milan changed football forever, but it took Manchester City to finish what they started. Because data is powerful, but without scalable systems, even the best insights don't go anywhere. In the early 2000s, AC Milan wasn't just winning. They were redefining football performance with something called the Milan Lab. Launched in 2002, it used biomechanics, motion capture, even psychology to monitor players. The goal? Prevent injuries before they happen and keep legends like Maldini and Nesta playing at the top of the game well into their 30s. But it had a critical flaw. It was built to preserve excellence, not to scale it. So when Milan shifted to younger players like Alexander Pato, things unraveled. The lab was not built to support development at scale or adapt across profiles. It was brilliant, but inward. There was no link to recruitment, coaching, or a long-term tactical vision. And when Milan declined, the lab on its own couldn't stop it. Around the same time, clubs like Brentford and Midtjylland were finding new ways to compete. They used data to identify undervalued players, model set pieces, and rethink risk. It was smart and effective, but often dependent on key individuals. And without broader systems behind the scenes, it was not built to last across clubs or across generations. Similarly, you had Johan Cruyff's influence at Ajax and Barca showing that philosophy could scale across an entire org, which then went over to the Red Bull org, proving something different. The tactical identity could be systematized across teams. Salzburg, Leipzig, New York, same pressing style, same vertical play. That idea, one system, many contexts, became the foundation. And that's where the City Football Group took the next step. They didn't just use data to manage players, they built infrastructure around shared models, scouting, training, tactics, player development. It's all connected. From Manchester to Montevideo, CFG clubs operate with alignment, not just affiliation. And it's not just about analytics, it's about a culture and a process. A winger in Girona, a midfielder in New York City, a striker in Melbourne. They're all developing inside a shared tactical and developmental framework. It's not one club with many teams, it's many clubs with one philosophy, powered by data, refined by experience. And here's the breakthrough. CFG didn't just gather data, they built systems around it. Repeatable, flexible, scalable. Where Milan used data to protect stars, CFG uses it to create structure and lets talent thrive inside it. As a user researcher, I do have to say the system touches more than football. CFG's model connects not just clubs and coaches, but players, fans, and a global identity. It's strategy that scales. From Milan Lab's brilliance to City's blueprint, this is how football analytics have matured. From injury prevention to systems-level thinking in a short time. The next question though, who builds that next great evolution? Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and let me know who you think will lead the next great evolution in football systems and data.